Iran and Israel, two nations situated in a region steeped in history, conflict, and geopolitical tension. The relationship between these two countries has been marked by distrust. Over the decades, their paths have intertwined in ways that have shaped the dynamics of the Middle East. From ancient times to the present day, the geopolitics of this region have been influenced by the actions and aspirations of Iran and Israel. The history of Iran and Israel's relations is complex. While both nations have ancient roots, their modern interactions have been defined by ideological, religious, and geopolitical differences. Iran, a predominantly Shia Muslim country, has often found itself at odds with Israel, a Jewish state in a predominantly Sunni Muslim region. From the Iranian Revolution of 1979, which saw the overthrow of the Shah and the establishment of an Islamic Republic, to the Iranian government's vocal opposition to Israel's existence, the two nations have frequently clashed on ideological and geopolitical fronts. Understanding the geography of Iran and Israel is crucial to grasp their strategic importance and military capabilities. Iran, with a vast landmass spanning over 1.6 million square kilometers, boasts diverse terrain, including deserts, mountains, and coastlines along the Persian Gulf and the Caspian Sea. Israel, on the other hand, is a small country of approximately 20,770 square kilometers, bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the west and surrounded by nations with which it has historically had tense relations. When it comes to economic strength, Israel holds a significant advantage over Iran. With a defense budget of $24.4 billion, Israel outspends Iran's defense budget of $9.95 billion. However, in terms of purchasing power parity, Iran's economy, valued at $1.3 trillion, surpasses Israel's $394 billion. In terms of population and military manpower, Iran dwarfs Israel, with a population of 87 million. Iran boasts a total military force of 1.18 million personnel, including active, reserve, and paramilitary forces. In comparison, Israel's population stands at 9 million, with a total military force of 670,000 personnel. The issue of nuclear capability adds another layer of complexity to the Iran-Israel dynamic. While Israel is widely believed to possess approximately 90 nuclear warheads, Iran's nuclear program has been a subject of international scrutiny and controversy, with Iran consistently denying any intentions to develop nuclear weapons. When it comes to land power, both Iran and Israel maintain formidable armies. Let's take a closer look at their capabilities. Iran boasts a significant number of battle tanks, with 1996 in their arsenal, while Israel has 1,370 battle tanks. In terms of infantry fighting vehicles, Iran possesses 400, whereas Israel does not have any in its inventory. In terms of artillery, Iran maintains a total of 3,405 pieces, including self-propelled, towed, and rocket artillery, whereas Israel has 1,100 pieces. Specifically, Iran has 580 self-propelled artillery compared to Israel's 650, and 2050 towed artillery compared to Israel's 300. Additionally, Iran possesses 775 rocket artillery units, whereas Israel has 150. Finally, both countries possess ground-based ballistic missiles, with Iran and Israel each having 4 in their arsenals. These numbers underscore the substantial land power capabilities of both Iran and Israel, each with its own strengths and strategic considerations. In the skies, Israel maintains air superiority over Iran. Let's delve into the details of their air force capabilities. Israel possesses a more modern and diverse fleet of aircraft compared to Iran. Israel boasts 241 fighter aircraft, whereas Iran has 186. Additionally, Israel has 39 attack aircraft, while Iran's count stands at 23. When it comes to uncrewed combat aerial vehicles UCAVs, Iran has 83 in its inventory, whereas Israel possesses 15. Israel also maintains a larger tanker fleet with 14 compared to Iran's 7. In terms of transport aircraft, Iran has 86, while Israel has 12. Turning to helicopters, Israel possesses a total of 146, whereas Iran has 129. Israel's advantage is particularly notable in attack helicopters, with 48 compared to Iran's 13. In terms of trainer aircraft, Israel has 155, while Iran has 102. Israel's air force also includes 4 airborne warning and control system aircraft, while Iran currently has none. When it comes to anti-aircraft missile systems, Iran has 6, whereas Israel has 2. These numbers illustrate Israel's significant strategic advantage in the air, with a more diverse and technologically advanced fleet compared to Iran. When it comes to naval power, both Iran and Israel maintain significant capabilities. Let's examine their naval fleets. Iran boasts a substantial fleet comprising 7 frigates, 3 corvettes, 21 patrol craft, 1 mine warfare craft, 19 submarines, and 3 attack submarines. In contrast, Israel's fleet includes 0 frigates, 7 corvettes, 45 patrol craft, 0 mine warfare craft, 5 submarines, and 0 attack submarines. Despite its smaller size, Israel has developed a formidable naval force with modern frigates, corvettes, and submarines, giving it a strategic advantage, particularly in the Mediterranean Sea. Israel's emphasis on naval capabilities underscores its commitment to maintaining security and projecting power in the region. As Iran and Israel continue to navigate the complexities of their relationship, the balance of power in the Middle East remains in flux. While each nation brings its own strengths and challenges to the table, the potential for conflict and cooperation between Iran and Israel will continue to shape the geopolitics of the region for years to come.